slapping them hell yeah stickers up on the side. Them good old boys been feeling macho in that quattro wheel drive. It gets her pretty little red dirt flip-flop feet in the door. Then you take it on out, you drop it on down. That's what the 4x4